Bienvenido. Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be learning 5 nouns, all of them having to do something with names or how you greet people and address a person. There will be practice activities that include matching, multiple choice, and flashcards. So join me in learning and practicing your Spanish skills today. So the 5 words we're going to be learning today are last name, apellido, Miss, Señora, Mr., Señor, greetings, saludos, and name, nombre. Okay, so let's start with apellido. And in some countries, like Argentina, where I'm from, they pronounce those double L's as SH sound, apellido. So you might hear apellido or apellido or apellido. Okay, so apellido means last name. That is your last name is your apellido. Apellido. And the D is a soft D, so it's like the TH sound in English. Apellido. Apellido. Repeat after me. Apellido. Okay, the word for miss is señora. Señora. The word señora is the word for an older woman, a grown-up, an adult grown-up woman, or a married woman. Either they are married or they are a grown-up woman. That's who you call señora, miss, señora. It's not like in America you call miss any young lady. In Spanish-speaking cultures, señora is a married woman or an adult woman, but it's not a young lady. Young lady is señorita. You say señorita for a young lady, which is, I think, what a lot of people in America, they say miss to a young lady. But in a lot of Spanish-speaking cultures, young lady is señorita. That's a young lady, señorita. But an adult woman, especially the older women, and women who are married, they are señora, a mature woman, señora. Señora. And that N is pronounced like an N and an I. If you put an N and an I next to each other, that's how you pronounce it. Señora. Nya, nya, nyo, nyo. Señora. Okay, so the word for Mr. is señor. Señor. Mr. Señor. Okay, the word for greetings is saludos. And I think this word is probably used a lot more frequently in Spanish-speaking cultures than it is in English-speaking cultures. That's just my personal observation. But I think it's very common. It's very common to say saluda. That means greet the person. Saluda. It's a very big deal. It's very socially appropriate to greet people and to make sure that you have greeted somebody. Saluda. It's very commonly used, and people will say like salúdame, saluda, like greet me. Make sure you greet the person, greet the other person. So that's more of a big deal in Spanish-speaking cultures. Greetings. Saludos. 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 And that D is also the soft TH sound, kind of a D. Saludos. Okay, the word for name is nombre. 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 You can say, my name is. Mi nombre es. Mi nombre es. My name is. Nombre is name. Let's practice these words. Let's start with flashcards. What does the word apellido mean? Apellido means last name. What does the word señora mean? Señora means miss. What does the word señor mean? Oh, I should also add. Okay, so señora means miss, and señorita. Señorita means young lady. Young lady. Señora and señorita. So when you see a really young lady or somebody who looks youthful, somebody who looks very youthful and is not married typically, that's typically what we associate with señorita, a young lady. So there's a wide margin. Señor, Mr. Saludos. Saludos is greetings. Nombre, name. Okay, now let's do the flashcards in reverse order. How do you say last name in Spanish? Make sure you get plenty of practice saying the words out loud. This will help you with pronunciation and memorization. Last name is apellido. Apellido. How do you say miss in Spanish? Señora. Señora. This word is also used to mean lady or woman. Like if you're talking in conversation with somebody, you can say, the woman or the lady. You can use this word as well. You can say la señora, the woman, the lady. It's not necessarily a literal translation that means miss, but it can be used to also mean lady or woman. Okay, Mr. But it does refer to a mature lady. Like it's not a young lady. Okay, so Mr. How do you say Mr. in Spanish? Señor. Señor. How do you say greetings in Spanish? Saludos. And I think I've observed this a lot in the Mexican culture. It's I think I've grown up. I'm actually from Argentina myself, but I've grown up in America in a lot in the Mexican culture, and I think this is a really big deal in the Mexican culture. Like, you have to greet people. Saluda, saluda. It means greet the person. You have to greet each other. So it's a really big deal, I think, in the Mexican culture to be socially appropriate and to be super socially polite and greet other people. If anybody comes into your vicinity, you should greet the person, or somebody will remind you to greet each other. Okay, so the word for name in Spanish, how do you say name in Spanish? Nombre. Nombre. Okay, multiple choice questions. We'll go from Spanish to English first and then reverse it from English to Spanish. Okay, so which word means nombre? Name. Which word means señor? Mr. Which word means saludos? Greetings. Señora. Which word is señora? Miss. Which word means apellido? Last name. Okay, so now we're going to do the multiple choice questions from English to Spanish. So what word means miss? Señora. What word means greetings? Saludos. What word means name? Nombre. What word means Mr.? Señor. What word means last name? Apellido. Okay, so now we're going to do matching. And here we go. We have the Spanish words on the left and the English words on the right. So match the two together. If you need more time, you can pause the video. You can always pause videos and, you can always speed up videos at any time. Okay, here are the answers. Saludos means greetings. Apellido means last name. Señor means Mr. Nombre means name. Señora means miss. All right, very good. So if you're looking for a really good Spanish course, this is a really good one. It is very comprehensive, super affordable, high quality. I've tried some of their other languages and I've liked it. So this is great. I do receive a small commission that helps to support this channel. And they have different kinds of Spanish courses. They have Mexican Spanish, South American Spanish, and a general Spanish language course. So yeah, there are a lot of distinctions, a lot of differences between the different Spanish dialects within the different cultures, Latin American cultures. Okay, so that's all for this video. Please subscribe and like this video and go ahead and pick a word from today's list and practice it in the comments below, including a sentence. If you want to write something in a sentence, that would be great. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one. Adios!